Ethan Ewing in second.
I mean, I'm just kind of here to have fun. Obviously, to win it is the goal, but to get to surf pipe with 3 guys out, it's a blast. I mean, I surfed a pretty bad heat. The waves were not going my way. I didn't have priority one time the entire heat, and I just knew that there was 30 seconds left when Ethan was going on his wave, and I seen the next wave and I was going no matter what. If I was too deep, or I just had to give it a try, and I made it, and I'm psyching.